Assalamu alaikum students. I am your teacher Simra, and last time we had learned about nouns. Okay? This is your grammars lecture. Grammar and Usage is your book. And now we are going to start our new chapter, new unit number 2, which is also about nouns, but we are going to learn nouns a little bit further, a little bit more. First of all, let us write date. Which date it is? It's 3rd June 2020. Okay? 3rd June 2020. The day is Wednesday. Okay? And write C.W for classwork. Let us start this chapter. And just listen to me carefully. This is a very important chapter. Okay? Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable means you can just guess it by the word. Countable means the thing which can be counted. Uncountable means the thing which cannot be counted. Look at the pictures below. Read the words. You just have to look at the pictures and read the words, okay? Chickens, boys, watches, yogurt, jam, water. Okay, just focus. Can you count the chickens? 1, 2, 3. Yes, you can. So these are countables. Can you count the boys? 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys. These are boys. So these can be counted. These are countables. Can you count the watches? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 watches. Could you count it? Yes, you could. Write C. C for countable. Yogurt. Can you count the yogurt? No, you cannot count the yogurt because it's in the cup. You can count the cup, but you cannot count the yogurt. Can you say 1 yogurt, 2 yogurt, 3? You can just say 1 cup of yogurt, but you cannot count the yogurt. So it is uncountable. Uncountable. Use UN for uncountable. Jam. Can you count jam? Give me 1 jam. Can you say give me 1 jam? No, you cannot, because jam cannot be counted. You can just say give me a jar of jam, give me a bottle of jam, but you cannot count jam itself, okay? So jam is uncountable. Then water. Can you count water? Have you ever listened to anyone saying give me 1 water? No one ever says 1 water. They just say give me a glass of water, give me 1 glass of water, give me 1 bottle of water. So you cannot count water. Water is also uncountable. Let me explain in Urdu. जिस चीज़ को आप गिन सकते हैं उसको काउंटेबल कहते हैं, और जिस चीज़ को नहीं गिन सकते उसको अनकाउंटेबल कहते हैं. जैसे आप चिकन्स को, आप मुर्गियों को गिन सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. पर क्या आप पानी को गिन सकते हैं? कभी आपने उर्दू में किसी को बोला है कि क्या मुझे 1 पानी दें, 2 पानी दें? हमेशा आप कहते हैं कि मुझे 1 गिलास पानी दे दें. मतलब आप ग्लास गिन रहे हैं, आप पानी नहीं गिन रहे. आप पानी नहीं गिन सकते. ओके? पानी गिना नहीं जा सकता. So class, this is water and this is glass. You can count the glass, but can you count water? Can you say what number of water is this? Is it 1 water, 2 water, 3 water? Can you count water? No, you cannot count the water. You cannot say which number of water is this. You can just say it is little water, it is more water. आप सिर्फ इतना कह सकते हैं कि ये पानी थोड़ा है या ज़्यादा है, पर आप ये नहीं कह सकते ये 1 पानी है, 2 पानी है, 3 पानी है. But can you count these pencils? 1 pencil, 2 pencils. So these are countable and this is uncountable. Countable, uncountable. We can count chickens, boys, and watches. Nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns, We use many, a few, and some with plural countable nouns. We use any with both singular and plural countable nouns. We use a and an with singular countable nouns. Now they are saying, what is singular? Singular means one. Singular means one, and plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. Okay, class. They are saying we use many, a few, some with singular with plural countables. मीन जो एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ है उसके साथ हम many, a few या some यूज़ करते हैं, और जो एक या एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ हो उन दोनों के साथ हम any यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Any हम ज़्यादातर we use any in the negative sentences or in the question, okay? We use a and an with singular countable nouns. With singular countable nouns, we use a and an. We are only talking about countable nouns. We are not talking about uncountable nouns, okay? Page number 8. We cannot count yogurt, jam, and water. Nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. वो nouns जो count नहीं किए जा सकते, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, like I told you, the water, example of water cannot be counted. उसको हम कहते हैं uncountable nouns. We use much, a little, some and any with uncountable nouns. वो nouns जो count नहीं हो सकते उनके साथ much, a little, some और any use होता है. We cannot use a and an with uncountable nouns. हम uncountable nouns के साथ a या an use नहीं कर सकते. Read and learn. Using a and an with singular countable nouns. Just read the sentences with me. James has a parrot. James के पास एक parrot है, so we are using a. Mr. Smith is a teacher. Mr. Smith एक teacher है, so a or a. Jane is eating an apple. Jane एक apple खा रही है, so an. David has an uncle in China. So uncle, one uncle, so an uncle. This is use of a and an. Now we are going to learn the use of many, a few, some and any with countable nouns. There are many crows in the park. Park में बहुत ज़्यादा कौवे हैं, तो many. There are a few flies on the cake. केक पर कुछ flies हैं, कुछ मक्खियाँ हैं, तो a few. There are only a few students in the library. Library में कुछ students हैं. There are some pencils on the table. Table पर कुछ pencils हैं. I want some stamps. मुझे कुछ stamps चाहिए. There isn't any biscuit in the jar. jar में कोई बिस्किट नहीं है. जब भी हम isn't या question use करते हैं, जब भी हम not, an apostrophe t means not. इसका मतलब होता है not. जब भी हम not use करते हैं या question use करते हैं, not या question में हमेशा any आता है. not या question में हमेशा any आता है. Page number 9. Using much, a little, some, any with uncountable nouns. Here we were talking about countable nouns and now we are talking about uncountable nouns. There isn't much sugar left in the jar. jar में इतनी sugar नहीं बची. There isn't much milk in the bottle. There isn't a little dust on the table. There is a little dust on the table. Look, sugar, milk, dust. There is only a little food left on the plate. Food. There is still some ink in the bottle. Can I have some jam? There isn't any coffee in the pot. Is there any water in the pond? Now, underline these all words which I have underlined. Underline quickly. Okay. Now, if you have underlined, just look at these words and focus on these words. Can any of these be counted? Can sugar be counted? Can milk be counted? Can dust be counted? Can food be counted? Can ink be counted? Can jam be counted? Can coffee be counted? Can water be counted? Any of these cannot be counted. इनमें से किसी को भी गिना नहीं जा सकता. That's why these are called uncountable nouns. So class, you just have to practice and review this chapter thoroughly. So then I will just start giving you the exercises. I will just start explaining you the exercises further, okay? If you do not practice it, then you will not be able to understand the further exercises. These are a little bit difficult and a little bit tricky. So first of all, you have to learn these concepts thoroughly. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and take care of your parents, respect your elders. Allah Hafiz.